Okay, today is Wednesday, so we will be looking at the text features for the Eiffel Tower. Remember, our focus question is, why is the Eiffel Tower a famous structure? The words to know are beams, capital, cement, signals, structure, and tower. The table of contents are a famous structure, high and mighty, city on the Seine, a tower of strength, here to stay, visiting the tower, lighting up the sky, and the glossary. Okay, the picture caption on this page says, visitors to Paris can take boat trips to the Eiffel Tower on the Seine River. Walking under the tower and looking up, visitors get a good idea of its size. So this is the view from underneath the tower. Okay, and I've read most of this. It has the height, the weight, when it was completed, how many stories tall it is, how many people have visited, and how wide the base is. Okay, this is comparing two different towers. The Eiffel Tower on the left is 324 meters or 1,063 feet tall. The Washington Monument in Washington, D.C. is 160 meters or 525 feet tall. It says, with its big antennas, the Eiffel Tower is about twice as tall as the Washington Monument. And if you look up pictures of the Washington Monument by itself, you would think that was very tall. Okay, here's a map, and it's showing you where Paris is. It's the capital of France. France is part of a country in Europe. Here's the inset of the map here. And where the Eiffel Tower is located in Paris. It's located on this long strip or park, and you can see the river flowing right by it, the Seine. This is a picture of Gustave Eiffel. The Eiffel Tower was named for Gustave Eiffel. He built hundreds of metal structures before he built the tower. Here are some pictures of the tower being built. It says the 4 metal legs are being put up in 1887. The legs are held up with wood on the top. 4 metal beams connect the legs in 1888 on the bottom. So they started out with wood and then they connected it with metal. In July 1888, the second floor of the tower had been built on the left. Right here's the first floor and the second floor. In November, the tower was almost finished. So this is the picture they're talking about when it's close to being finished. At night, the Eiffel Tower lights up every hour for 5 minutes. The Eiffel Tower now has more than 100 radio and TV antennas at the top. So all of these little parts sticking out are radio and TV antennas. Visitors can see the big park from the top of the Eiffel Tower. It takes 25 painters more than a year to paint the Eiffel Tower. Remember, they talked about the different colors it's been, and they paint it every 7 years, I think. Fireworks make the Eiffel Tower look like a rocket that's ready to take off. Okay, here's our glossary words, or our vocabulary words. Beams are long, sturdy pieces of wood or metal that are used in building. Capital is the city where a government's main offices are located. Cement, a powder of limestone and clay that can be mixed with water and gravel to make concrete. Signals are electrical messages that are sent or received. Structure is something built from a collection of parts, such as a building or a bridge. And a tower is a tall, narrow building. All right, that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow for our worksheet. Have a good night.